The Constitution of India, Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution.
Hello my dear children, welcome back. How are you all? I know you all are very eagerly waiting to see what happened further in our story. Till now, what we have understood is there was a practice of sending 7 men and women every year to Crete Islands as the food for Minotaur. But this time, Theseus, the son of Aegeus, who was very brave and strong, wanted this practice to be stopped. So he asked his father Aegeus that whether he can go to Crete Islands and kill the monster Minotaur. But his father did not allow. He said, "No, you can't go, you are my only son." But still Theseus wanted to go. Now let's see what happens further. So all of you take your studio, page number 134, the last paragraph. Theseus managed to convince Aegeus and set sail for Crete. They were welcomed by King Minos' daughter Ariadne. So somehow Theseus convinced his father Aegeus to let him go to Crete Islands, and they were welcomed in Crete Islands by King Minos' daughter Ariadne. She was a beautiful maiden. What is the meaning of maiden? A young woman. She fell in love with Theseus as soon as she saw him. She was afraid that Theseus would become prey for Minotaur. Ariadne decided to help Theseus escape and secretly sent him a letter. As soon as Ariadne, the daughter of King Minos, saw Theseus, she fell in love with him. She did not want him to die, so she sent him a letter. Let's see what is written in the letter. All of you take page number 133. Here is the letter. She wrote, "Dear Theseus, I really like you and think that you are a brave man. I am sad that my father has been sacrificing Athenians every year to the beast." Ariadne wrote to Theseus that, "Dear Theseus, I really like you. You are a brave man. I am sad that till now my father was asking for 7 men and women every year for the beast." So what she has written? That she really likes Theseus and she thinks that he is a brave man, and also she is sad that her father is asking for 7 men and women every year for the beast, the monster Minotaur, and they become the food for Minotaur. "I want to help save the lives of your people." She says that she wants to save the lives of people of Athens. "I am sending you a sword and a ball of string with this letter." So she is sending a sword. What is a sword? This is a sword and a ball of string with this letter. When you enter the maze, you know maze, right? I have already told you what is a maze. A maze is like if you enter, you don't know how to exit. You get confused because it has a lot of ways in it to enter and to exit, and it has many compartments. So you'll get confused how to get out of the maze. Okay. This will help you trace your way back to the door to escape. So she said she is sending him a sword and a ball of string with the letter. So it will help him to get out of the maze easily, because that will trace the way in which Theseus walks. When Theseus walks, the ball of string will make a trace along the way, so it will be easier for him to find a way to exit. The sword will help you kill the cruel monster. How the sword will help him? It will help him to kill the monster. When you escape, I wish to come with you to Athens, where we can be together and lead a happy life. Yours, Ariane. And then she says that when you escape, when you kill the monster and come out of the maze, I want to come with you and we will go to Athens, and there we will live a happy life together. Yours, Ariane. The next night, it was Theseus' turn to meet Minotaur. The first thing he did as soon as he entered the maze was to tightly tie the string to the door. And what happened next? The next night was the time for him to meet Minotaur. The first thing what he did, as soon as he entered the maze, he tightly tied the string to the door so that he can escape easily, he can come out of the maze easily. Theseus started walking into the gloomy and smelly labyrinth. Gloomy means dark and depressing, and labyrinth means the maze. He did not see anything for a long time, but kept hearing a loud roaring sound. Now Theseus started walking into the gloomy, the very dark maze, and he did not see anything for a long time, but as he headed forward, he started hearing loud noises and roaring sound. He slowly walked towards the sound and reached the center of the maze. Soaked in the moonlight, coming through a hole in the roof, was a 7-foot tall, man-like figure with a big head of a bull. It had hair all over its body. It was snorting loudly with anger. It was dreadful. So, when he reached the center of the maze, he saw the monster, which is 7-foot tall, man-like figure with big head of a bull, and it had hair all over its body. It was snorting, it was making loud noises through his nose, and he was angry. It was dreadful. Dreadful means fearful. It was very fearful. It turned to face Theseus and grunted noisily upon seeing its prey. Grunted means made a deep noise. When he saw Theseus, he made a deep noise. It charged towards him. Charge means it attacked towards him. Theseus quickly grabbed its head and stabbed the sword into the beast's throat. When the monster tried to attack him, Theseus quickly grabbed his head and stabbed the sword into his throat. Theseus killed Minotaur. He then found his way back to the front door of the maze with the help of the string. And Theseus killed Minotaur and he found the way back out of the maze with the help of the string. Ariane was waiting outside for Theseus along with the other men and women. Along with the other men and women of Athens, Ariane was also standing with them. A ship was waiting for them on the coast. They quickly boarded the ship and set sail for Athens. Ariane was standing with all those men and women of Athens, and there was a ship waiting for them, and when Theseus returned, they all set sail for Athens. Back in Athens, Theseus was welcomed as a hero and greeted with great joy. What happened when Theseus returned to Athens. Everyone was so happy. He did a brave work. So he was like a hero and everyone treated him with great joy. Thus, the terror of Minotaur and the troubles of the people of Athens came to an end. Now, all the troubles of Athens came to an end and people were all very happy. So that was a happy ending. Now, all of you take page number 137. Minotaur is a character from Greek mythology. Similarly, there are mythological characters that originate in India. So, Minotaur is a character of Greek mythology. Its origin is from Greece. Like that, we have many mythological characters, imaginary characters in India also. Find out the names of 3 Indian mythological characters. You may ask your teachers, parents or grandparents. Write the name and a brief description of each character. The description may include a power they have or what they are known for. Fill in figure 2. An example has been provided here. What you have to do is, many imaginary characters are there in India, right? You have to write their names here and you have to write what they are known for. What they are known for, if they have magic or they have some other qualities in them, you can write that. The first one is given. First one is Ganesha. You all know, right? Ganesha has the head of an elephant. He is worshipped for his wisdom, success and good luck. Like that, you have to write such imaginary characters in the blank space given. And then you have to write in page number 138, revisit the story Theseus and Minotaur. Who are the main characters? List them here. Who are the main characters in our story? You have to write it in the blank space provided in activity 6.6. Then in page number 139, complete the character sketch of Theseus and Minotaur in figure 3. Here what you have to do, elements of character, physical appearance. How does Theseus look? He looks tall. Then Minotaur. How Minotaur looks? He is also very tall, strong and huge. That you have to write here. Then role, action in the story. What is the role of Theseus in the story? He is very brave and he killed Minotaur. Then Minotaur, he is locked up in a maze by his father. He kills men and women to satisfy his hunger. He eats them up. He eats all the 7 men and women sent from Athens, right? Now personality traits. Personality traits. What is the thing that depicts the personality of Theseus? He is brave, then he is strong, he is tall in the same way. What is the personality trait of Minotaur? You write here in the blank space provided. So, do all the activities which are provided in our lesson. You can get the help from your parents or you can contact me also if you need any kind of assistance. So, till we meet next time, take care. Bye-bye.